don't know if you're already asleep, but I kinda hope you are. I know the movie's still playing quietly, but um, I just wanted to tell you that for like quite some time, um, did you just move? No, no. So for quite some time, I have had feelings for you, and I just want to tell. Well, I want to tell you, and I don't know when a better time to do it. Like, I don't know when to do it, but now, because I don't want to ruin our friendship, and I also don't want to tell you while we're stuck here in a snowstorm and you have no place to go. And it would be like kind of messed up to tell you, and then you be here with me for 2 days knowing that and not being able to go anywhere. So I'm just gonna tell you now and kind of get it off my chest. I swear you just moved. I don't think so. Mm, no, no, you didn't move. I don't know. Maybe I'm just seeing things because I'm tired. Well, that was kind of it. I have feelings for you and I've had them for a long time, but I don't know. Should I tell you in the morning? Should I not? I'm so confused. It's. Well, I told you and, What? No, I didn't. I didn't. I'm just talking to myself. I didn't say told you. I meant like in a general way. You've been asleep, right? I'm sorry I woke you up. It wasn't my intention. It really wasn't. I'm sorry. Hmm. Um, no, that's kind of. I was just rambling to myself. You should go back to sleep. I know I should go to sleep too. Um, what about we go to sleep together? Yeah, that does sound good. What do you want to tell me? What? You were you were what? You were listening. Um, to what were you listening? To the movie? No. Um, so what did you exactly hear? So the first time you moved, you woke up. Okay. No, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to like make things awkward. What do you mean it's okay? It's not. Like, who knows? Maybe you're stuck here tomorrow and the day after. I don't want you to be uncomfortable. What do you mean you know? You know that I have feelings? How do you know? Okay, yeah, I don't invite anybody else over, but yeah, I'm sorry. I know I shouldn't be sorry, but still. What do you mean? You feel the same way. Um, that was not really the response I was thinking of. I thought you were gonna hate me, but also I am way too tired to process this and like jump up and down. So I'll just do a little wiggle in bed. Mm-hmm. Just a little wiggle with my hips because I'm happy, and then I'm gonna go to sleep and we talk about this in the morning. Okay. Uh, I love you too. Good night.